Today we're trying the Kardashians Crumbl cookies.
Ooh.
And we're also going to be trying Chris's classic yellow layered cake and Courtney's flourless chocolate cake.
Okay, so the first one we're going to try is Kim's Snickerdoodle Crumb Cake Cookie.
The milk!
Not bad. I'm not really a Snickerdoodle person.
And I'm going to be trying Kylie's pink confetti sugar cookie. Oh my god.
It's good.
That's fucking good.
This one is Kendall's cookie dough cupcake cookie. I don't know why it tastes like kind of caramelly to me.
Caramel, let me try it.
It's good though. It's good, but it's super sweet. Right?
Yeah.
I still like Kylie's more.
The next one is Chloe's Cookies and Cream Skillet Cookie. Ooh.
How was that?
Ooh. Damn, the ones I've tried so far. Got the Chris's classic yellow layer cake.
That was a tongue twister for you.
That was.
Ooh. This is a big bite. Ooh.
You gotta take a chunk in the middle. How was that?
That was really good.
And last but not least, for the main event, we have Courtney's flourless chocolate cake. So here we go. Oh
Shit. I'm scared.
Me too. Cheers.
Cheers. Does it taste like dirt? Wait, I need to get another bite because it doesn't taste bad, but it has a bad like aftertaste. Like,
That's interesting.
yeah.
It's interesting. That's all I can say. I don't know how to describe it. I gotta take a smaller one for this.
Honestly, I kind of like it. I don't think it's that bad. You don't like it, baby?
No comment.